Hey garden friends, I'm Allie and welcome to Allie's Leaf Lab, where we turn healing plants into delicious moments. Today we're making one of my favorite cozy snacks, roasted sweet potato wedges with cinnamon. It's sweet, grounding, and there's no sugar needed. So why are we making this dessert? Well, sweet potatoes are one of nature's comfort foods, full of fiber, vitamins, and warmth. Pair them with cinnamon, and you've got a naturally sweet treat that helps with inflammation and energy without the crash. This recipe is a hit with kids and adults, especially in the cooler months when we crave something hearty and nourishing. Now let's get cooking. Here's what you need: 2 medium sweet potatoes, 1 tbsp coconut oil, 1 tsp ground cinnamon, pinch of sea salt, and optional almond butter or tahini drizzle. Alright, let's get started. First, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 200 degrees Celsius. Next, wash your sweet potatoes and slice them into thick wedges or fry-style cuts. For younger kids, I usually go with the fry-style cuts just so they can eat it easier. I find it also helps if you cut all the way down but not through, kind of like this. Then you can easily separate them into the individual pieces. Toss them in coconut oil, cinnamon, and a pinch of salt. Then arrange them on a parchment-lined baking sheet. Leave a little bit of space between each piece so they can get nice and crispy. Now bake them for about 25 to 30 minutes, flipping them halfway through until they're nice and golden brown and crispy. And your kitchen is gonna smell amazing. While the sweet potatoes are roasting away, I'd love to invite you to stick around for our weekly videos where we share garden inspiration, plant medicine wisdom, and hands-on activities from our 2-acre edible garden oasis. While you're there, be sure to say hi to our growing garden family. We can't wait to meet you. Okay, back to our yummy snack. When the sweet potatoes are almost done, you can prep your toppings if you'd like. Like I said, my favorite thing to do is to drizzle some almond butter on top, but feel free to use tahini. And if you have a little bit of nut allergy, you can always just omit the topping. But if you want a crunchy topping, you can sprinkle on some crushed walnuts or pumpkin seeds. It really just depends on what you're in the mood for. Personally, I love mixing it up. Sometimes I'll do pumpkin seeds, and sometimes I'll do walnuts, but I always add a little bit of the nut butter on top. And once your sweet potatoes are nice and crispy, you can take them out, put them on a plate, and enjoy. The healing highlights of this dish are pretty vast. Sweet potatoes are a great source of potassium, vitamin A, vitamin C, and fiber. They are also a good source of antioxidants and phytonutrients, which help fight inflammation and protect your cells from damage. And sweet potatoes are also a great source of beta-carotene, which is converted into vitamin A in the body. Vitamin A helps maintain healthy skin, eyes, and immune function. The American Academy of Dermatology even recognizes sweet potatoes as an excellent non-dairy source of vitamin A, particularly important for those with dairy allergies or sensitivities. Sweet potatoes are also a good source of dietary fiber, which aids digestion and promotes a feeling of fullness. This can help with weight management and blood sugar control. So they're perfect for those looking to manage their blood sugar levels. Fiber also supports a healthy gut microbiome, which is essential for overall health. We know how important gut health is. In fact, 70% of your immune system resides in your gut. And sweet potatoes offer various types of fiber, including soluble and insoluble fiber. Soluble fiber dissolves in water and forms a gel-like substance in the gut, which slows down digestion and helps regulate blood sugar levels. Insoluble fiber adds bulk to the stool and aids in regular bowel movements and prevents constipation. Sweet potatoes are also rich in antioxidants such as beta-carotene, vitamin C, and various phenolic compounds. These antioxidants help neutralize harmful free radicals and reduce oxidative stress in the body, which can lower the risk of chronic diseases. Cinnamon is also packed with lots of healing benefits. It contains antioxidants like polyphenols and cinnamaldehyde. Polyphenols help fight free radicals and reduce inflammation, while cinnamaldehyde gives it that distinct flavor and aroma. Cinnamon is known to help regulate blood sugar levels due to its bioactive compounds like cinnamaldehyde and flavonoids. It has been shown to enhance insulin sensitivity and inhibit enzymes that break down carbohydrates, which helps control post-meal blood sugar spikes. Cinnamon is also known for its anti-inflammatory properties. It helps soothe inflammation throughout the body, reducing symptoms of conditions like arthritis. The anti-inflammatory effects of cinnamon come from compounds such as antioxidants, flavonoids, and phenolic acids. Cinnamon can also help reduce cholesterol levels. It has been shown to decrease total cholesterol and LDL bad cholesterol levels, potentially reducing the risk of heart disease. This effect is attributed to the antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties of cinnamon. So sweet potatoes and cinnamon complement each other beautifully in this snack, creating a delicious and nutritious combination. This treat is a great option for those seeking natural ways to support their health and well-being. It's a fantastic choice for a quick snack, a comforting side dish, or a wholesome dessert. Whether you're enjoying it on a cozy night in or sharing it with loved ones, this snack is sure to warm you up both inside and out. Lastly, I'd love to share a fun little garden tip with you. Did you know that sweet potatoes can actually be grown in containers or garden beds? Yes, you heard me right. Sweet potatoes are a warm season crop that loves heat, and they grow best in areas with plenty of sunshine. You can start by planting sweet potato slips in late spring. Just take a sweet of choice, place it in a propagation mix, and then place the container in an area that receives bright and direct light. The slips will emerge and grow over time, and then you can transplant them into your garden bed or container. The vines are also totally edible, and they have a slightly bitter flavor reminiscent of spinach. Well, that's a wrap on today's healing snack. I hope you found this recipe helpful and delicious. And remember, sweet potatoes are a wonderful addition to any diet. They are not only delicious and versatile, but also packed with nutrients and potential health benefits. Thank you for joining me in the Leaf Lab today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. We'd love to have you back for more fun and educational content. Until next time, happy gardening, stay curious, and embrace the healing power of plants. I'll see you soon. Oh, and if you happen to be at an in-person event or class, please don't hesitate to ask me about this recipe, because I love sharing it and seeing people's reactions when they try it. Thanks for joining me in the Leaf Lab today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. We'd love to have you back for more fun and educational content. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all our latest adventures and learning about nature as healing gifts. Until next time, happy gardening, stay curious, and embrace the healing power of plants. I'll see you soon.